Ready?
Yeah.
You can see all 15 fan blades. I made that number up.
Oh, that's nice and warm. Feels nice.
Let's put it in between modes for a moment and listen to it. By the way, cable. Alright, we'll put it in between modes.
It's now running on high. There's a little blower wheel in there. Don't know if you can see that or not.
It's running on high.
High.
Which means I'm gonna die.
Yes, with that sweet 220 volt.
Powerful unit. 1.5 ton. Alright, let's get it. First we're gonna load. Shut it off. Maybe we'll cycle it off. Auto can. We'll cycle it off. Alright. You ready? Stop. And the refrigerator moving around. Now when we shut it off, you'll hear the reversing. I'll switch over because the pressure is still in the unit. And that wraps us up. You guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.